An inked blob is inserted in glassware for a uniform design. Gloves are dipped into heated protective molding and dried. The machine compacts to create a 10-foot boat. Wet concrete is formed into a curb with a curb roller CM4000. Magnetic force is used to gather nails for speedy packaging. An industrial winder braids and wraps colossal cable. Small teeth grab and thinly slice a big hunk of beef. Textile passes through numerous ink rollers, creating a floral design. Two template pallets converge on blow molding to form a jug. The heated flat end of a cleaver is bent into a handle. Raw metal is shaved to achieve a glass-like finish. A denim pocket is mounted and given an ornate seam design. Pockets and slots are etched with a shoulder milling cutter. A tractor arm shovels and fills a Kevlar bag with sand. Fruit is stabilized and evenly sliced with robotic shears. Molten hot metal is forged into a stainless steel cylinder. A wire is hooked to a spinning contraption for consistent braiding. Spinning arms shoot out hay for rapid feed distribution. Cans are cubed for hauling with a hydraulic compression machine. Different sized bend dies rotate to form a giant spring. A rotating fastener catches metal to wrap a perfect spring coil. Several shearing arms converge on heated metal to make a spring. Hydraulic arm chops vertically to create unique designs. A pipe is forced through rotating compression to become square shape. Firewood is chopped and forced through an electric splitter. A large loop is created with a metal bending machine. Ferrous metal is detailed with a heated induction coil. Rebar-free concrete is broken with a pile cropper. Beams are cut with an industrial-grade bandsaw. A feller buncher safely severs and captures a treetop. Two oscillating arms slice a mound of dough into noodles. An irrigation ditch is neatly trenched with an excavator attachment. An induction coil generates extreme power to seal the metal. Hot metal is bent into a heavy-duty chain link. Robotic arms work in unison to make a tight knot. Squash gets pushed through a spinning blade for exact slicing. Leaves get rapidly gathered with a Scag windstorm. Propane tanks are intensely crushed to make scrap metal. Rusty vice grips get cleaned with a laser.